Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Robinhood Crypto for buying and transferring to DeFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Robinhood Crypto for buying and transferring to DeFi, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have a Robinhood account, you'll need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the crypto section from the main menu. Here, you can view a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Tap on the Buy button. Enter the amount you wish to invest and review the details. Complete the transaction by confirming your purchase. After you've bought your crypto, you'll want to transfer it to a DeFi wallet. To do this, go back to the crypto section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Find and tap on the transfer option. Choose Send to initiate a transfer to your external wallet. You will need to enter your DeFi wallet address. Ensure that the address is correct to avoid losing your funds. Enter the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Confirm the transfer and wait for the network to process it. Once confirmed, your crypto will be in your DeFi wallet. You're now ready to engage with various DeFi platforms. Always remember to follow security best practices when dealing with crypto and DeFi. Enjoy exploring the world of decentralized finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.